Hey everyone! In this quick video, we're going to look at how to convert between radians and degrees. It's not too tricky once you know the formula, so let's get right into it. When you want to convert degrees to radians, you multiply by pi over 180. So the formula is radians equals degrees times pi over 180. Let's try an example with 160 degrees. Using the formula, we do 160 times pi over 180, which gives us 8 pi over 9. Now sometimes you might see radians written as a decimal instead of with pi. To do that, we just replace the pi with 3.14. So 160 times 3.14 over 180, which gives us approximately 2.79 radians. Okay, let's go the other way now. So let's take our 8 pi over 9, and we want to convert it back to degrees. This time the formula is degrees equals radians times 180 over pi. So we do 8 pi over 9 times 180 over pi, and we're left with 160 degrees. And there you go, we're back where we started. So just remember those two key formulas. Degrees to radians is times by pi over 180, and radians to degrees is times by 180 over pi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, I will go more in-depth and solve a few questions you might find on your next math test.